G'day guys, how are ya? Hopefully it's not too windy. As you can see, I'm out here in the country, which is kind of a weird place for you to be picking up tips for photography. But hey, what the heck? You want to check it out around here. It's actually really smoky at the moment. Someone must have a fire going and the sun's setting right over here. Check this out. As you can see, the sun is setting, but it's actually really smoky around here. I'll bring it back around this way. Okay, well, this is no country calendar, but the reason I'm dropping in is that someone was letting me know the other day that they were about to shoot their first event, and they're actually interested in what they should wear, whether or not they need to dress up or wear a certain thing, or what my suggestions were. So I thought if I was to make the suggestion for them, I may as well let you know too. These are just my thoughts and what I do. You don't have to do anything I say, but this is just a tip. The main thing I think about when I consider what I'm going to wear to an event is how I can remain out of the photos. That's it. How I can best remain out of the photos. The other thing is, in event photography, you're often shooting candid elements. Sure, you do the pose shots and those sort of things, people fronting up in front of the camera and you take their shot. Otherwise, you're doing candid shots. And the thing you want to do is make sure you're understated, that you can blend into the background, that you can blend into the crowd so you can capture the moments without people being self-conscious about a photographer being within their presence. The other thing is, you have to think about reflections. When you're taking photos, you do not want to show up in the reflection in a window, in a mirror, in a glass, in a glitter ball, or even in the eyes of the people you're photographing. Believe it or not, if you hit focus, you will be in that person's eyeball. So for me, what I wear, and I'm getting to the point here because I know I've been rambling on, is I wear exactly what I'm wearing now, pretty much. A black shirt, dark pants, dark shoes, understated, low key. And hey, when I say low key, if you're a female photographer, the one thing you don't want to do is turn up to a wedding and upstage your bride. It could happen. Don't do it. That will not be a good review for you. I don't know, it's just my thoughts. But as I say, something dark, something understated, nothing flashy, nothing to set you apart from maybe distinguishing you from the wait staff if you're shooting at a wedding or something like that, or just to distinguish you from staff at the venue you're at. Otherwise, I stress it again, understated, low key, anything that's not going to turn up in the photographs you're taking. Look, the other thing is when it comes to the style of dress you wear, it all depends on the event. If you're going to a 21st party, which I do lots of, I can wear the short sleeves and I can wear comfortable shoes. But if I'm going to a wedding or something like that, I might wear a long sleeve shirt, I might give it a good iron beforehand, I might wear some nice pants and some black leather shoes, something along those lines. But otherwise, all in the theme of remaining understated, low key, blending into the background, and not, most importantly, appearing in any of the photos you take. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, hit me up below. I'd be really keen to know. Otherwise, take it easy out there, eh? And we're gonna catch you next time. Bye.